Good morning, viewers. Welcome back to my channel. I am Raju Upadhyay from CIMAGE College, Patna, Department of IT. Today, we are going to talk about another interesting feature of advanced Excel, like how we can import the data from the various different kind of sources. So, as a part of this, today I'm going to talk about how to get the data from a different source, and the source could be our text file. So I'll be taking one small scenario. So take a scenario that any company uses a biometric attendance system to track the attendance of the employee. System logs the attendance details in the text file. So whenever you put your attendance with the biometric machine, normally your data is getting recorded into the textual format. In order to track the time in, time out, and the leave days of any employees, the HR heads or HR people needs to retrieve the data from the text file. In addition, the HR needs to share this information with the respective department heads to calculate the productivity of every employee. Since the data is available in the text file, it is very difficult to organize and process. So it is very necessary to move this data into the worksheet for proper analysis, right? So it is necessary to present the data in the tabular format so that operation can be performed very easily on these files. However, recreating the data in a tools that support the tabular format is very time consuming job. Therefore, in order to accomplish this kind of work, Microsoft Excel can be used, which supports importing of data from your text file. So these text files can be either delimiter separated text file or fixed with separated text file. So the data in these files can be imported to Microsoft Excel and it can be displayed in a tabular format. So we will talk about this in detail with practical. So now, in order to share the practical, I'll be taking you to my screen. First of all, I'll show you the data which is available. See, this is the data which I have in the text format. So I have a file called cities.csv. You can notice out here, my data is comma separated value data. So the data is available inside the CSV format, which is pure text format. Now I wanted to get this data imported into a Excel form. So I'll be taking you to the Excel worksheet where we will import this data into the Excel worksheet. I'll be taking you to the Microsoft Excel. So now this is a Microsoft Excel where we have a blank worksheet. Here only we are going to import the data which was there inside that CSV file. So what I can do is I can click on data tab, and just after clicking on the data tab, we can go to the get external data field, or you can say group. Within this, we are having, you can access the data from the Access, you can get the data from the web, you can get the data from the text, right? So I'm going to select option called from text. The moment I select the from text, so this is my CSV file. So I'll click on import. The moment I'll click on import, we are getting this kind of screen. So this is the text import wizard which we have. Now we can go for option called delimited. You need to go for delimited radio button, and then you can click on next. Then it is asking on what basis you are going to break the data, and that I wanted that data should be separated into a different column. So I can go for comma. The moment you click on comma and tabs, automatically you are seeing your data has been separated into the separate column of Microsoft Excel. So now I'm going to click on next. The moment I'll click on next, I'm going to have a general format only. So finally I can click on finish. Now it is asking at what location you wanted to import the data into the Excel worksheet. So I wanted to import it from a CSV file to a worksheet which starts from column address A1. So I can click on OK, and we are getting the data. So this was the data which we have got from CSV file. So I had 10 columns, all 10 columns are available. Now, since it is available inside my Microsoft Excel, so I can do any kind of analysis which I wanted. That's all for the day, viewers. I hope you must have understood how to get the data, how the different kind of data. That means today we have talked about how to get the text data from the CSV file to Microsoft Excel for further analysis. So thanks for watching this video. I'll be coming with the next video tomorrow. Keep enjoying, keep watching this video, and write down your beautiful comments in the comment section, how you like the video about it. Thanks again to everyone.